So today we'll be learning valence and electron pair repulsion. तो आपको क्या लगता है what does the heading mean? क्या होगा इसका?
वैलेंशन में जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेगा उसका रिपल्शन क्या बोलते हैं?
Repulsion होगा. Right. So there are totally two types of repulsion. One is bond pair repulsion and one is lone pair repulsion. So now we will look at So this is called as lone pair. These both are called as lone pair. And here we see bond pair. तो इन दोनों में ना lone pair repulsion होगा और इन दोनों में क्या होगा?
बॉन्ड पेयर
और इन दोनों में
बॉन्ड पेयर लोन पेयर.
So now what do you think? Which one is more?
लोन पेयर
More
ज़्यादा
repulsion.
रिपल्शन. लोन पेयर
क्यों? क्योंकि ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स because its size is more. अब बॉन्ड पेयर में क्या होगा? Here it is making a bond. तो इस एटम का एक न्यूक्लियस होगा, इस एटम का न्यूक्लियस होगा. तो ये इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को ऐसे बांधा रखेगा and even this will do the same. तो ये ज़्यादा भाग नहीं सकता. And here we only have one nucleus and two electrons. तो size बढ़ेगा ना? So basically this is more in size than bond pair, right? So and this one is quite very small. Okay?
But why is the region of lone pair very big?
Because see here इधर ना इलेक्ट्रॉन ज़्यादा तो भाग नहीं सकता. Here only one nucleus we are having, so electrons are quite free to move. तो इसका size comparatively तो बड़ा ही होगा ना? That's why. So basically, ESCPR, what it shows is, it will tell you what is the geometry, shape, and bond angle. ठीक है? So now we'll see how it works. कैसे geometry निकाला जाता है. So for geometry we need hybrid orbital. और उसके लिए ना number of hybrid orbital. So to remove number of hybrid orbital, this formula is used where P is valence electron, M is monovalent electron. So basically इसमें halogens. So what do you mean by monovalent?
एक वैलेंस.
एक बॉन्ड बनाएगा. तो कौन से होंगे?
हाइड्रोजन और हैलोजन. नंबर 1 और
Halogen because it only needs one electron, तो वो एक ही बॉन्ड बनाएगा ना. तो this is monovalent, anion, और this is cation. Maximum number of hybrid orbitals are
maximum number of
hybrid orbitals.
2.
Yeah.
Like I didn't get.
Like see, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but as far as I know, we need P, we need S, of those both will make hybrid orbital. So basically that is what I
Okay, two minimum two orbitals.
So we'll start from इधर तो कोई लोन पेयर नहीं होगा
Okay.
और so there is no loan pair so it will be zero. So now what geometry you see
Lean straight line.
and shape hybridization क्या है
SSP.
I hope you are clear with the difference between geometry and shape. Geometry we consider loan pair. In geometry we consider lone pair also, and in shape we don't. Next is 3. इसमें दो बॉन्ड हैं so when number of hybrid orbitals are 3 so bond pair कितने आएंगे max to max कितने
3.
तो lone pair
शायद एक या दो.
हाँ yeah but now we have taken bond pair as
Okay. Then lone pair 0.
so now what will be its geometry now what do you see
Triangle.
triangle so इसका geometry is triangle और shape भी same.
Triangle.
So see whenever there are no lone pair in the geometry no then geometry and shape both are same. ठीक है तो इधर shape कुछ नहीं आएगा और hybridization is
SCP2.
ठीक है now suppose if I take 2 bond pair electron और एक lone pair electron ऐसा तो हो सकता है right so geometry will be somewhat like and one more thing I forgot to mention angle क्या होगा
120.
120 like angle between all the space 120 तो इधर क्या होगा इधर भी सेम
नहीं. क्योंकि बॉन्ड पे वो VFPR थ्योरी की वजह से थे.
because see here what did I say bond pair और lone pair के बीच में repulsion ज़्यादा होगा तो angle भी h
Change.
बढ़ गया तो इधर क्या होगा more than or less than 120
More than 1.
ठीक है now here the repulsion is तो इधर ना ये तो जो bonds है तो this will come closer तो ये angle भी close होता रहेगा so this will be what less than 120
कम.
ठीक है and geometry same because we
हाँ.
consider lone pair और shape क्या होगा in shape we don't consider lone pair so it is bend we can say or angular hybridization
SCP2.
so this was the third one so maximum bond pair are
4.
lone pair
0.
तो इसका first one right
SP3.
तो इसका geometry कुछ ऐसा है what are you seeing
शेप ज्योमेट्री
और शेप भी सेम ही होगा.
लेकिन वो ऐसे 90 में क्यों दे रहेगा?
It's not 90
Why doesn't it be 90?
because of the repulsion
Between
between these both. Repulsion is no angle.
Then why not 120 degrees? Then what is the angle between?
what is the angle?
Most angle is 190.
So they are in one single plane.
No, see how like this, somewhat like this.
No, are they in one single plane?
No,
Then
How many are in
like how many are in one plane? And give one rough
see,
idea.
one is
हाँ
so
okay.
इधर कुछ एक
हाँ,
A
हाँ.
is so here is B.
हाँ
Another
ऊपर वाला
A.
नहीं
ऊपर.
बी एक ऊपर है ना.
So
हाँ, ऐसे.
मतलब पिरामिडल आत ना why tetrahedral?
उसमें तो 109 रहेगा.
And this shape is also not tetrahedral.
wait, you comment.
ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಮೂರು ಇದಾವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ದಾಗ ಲೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತ
Because if you keep it outside then it will
ಅಂಡ್ ಅದು ಮೂರು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ದಾಗ ಲೈ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಒಂದ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್
So angle is 109 minutes.
हाँ 109 degree 28 minutes.
Now तो लोग करेंगे
One
geometry to same
TD.
so it will be somewhat like अब shape क्या है
Pyramid. SPC.
now अब angle same होगा
Like 109. None.
नहीं होगा this will be more and this will be less.
Yes.
See, on side is 200.
2.
Geometry will be same.
हाँ.
This will become somewhat. So shape is this will come here in the head.
Not sure.
अरे ऐसे आएगा ना
Come on.
place it over there
like this.
then angle will be changed right
Angle change होगा.
but not that much
Now what it is
H2 then बराबर correct
ये हम आगे चलते हैं. हाँ yeah, what was the shape?
Shape is like
Now bond per max to max
By
or hybridization.
SP3D.
So now इसका केस में कुछ अलग है. These three bonds will lie in same plane. This one is going up. This one is coming up. And one more thing, this bond is making 90 degree with all of these.
Okay.
And this is making 90 degree with this. So total there are 60.
सारे bonds 90 डिग्री बनाएंगे ना.
सारे नहीं से ये this one भी.
और नीचे वाला
नीचे वाला भी.
अरे वो इस साइड वाला वो जो स्टार जैसे दिख रहा है.
ये वाला.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
It is in same plane.
Okay, so what is the angle between those?
120. Now, so geometry is
Diagonal background.
see there is one triangle here और इधर एक पिरामिड बना रहा है इधर एक पिरामिड बना रहा है shape is also so now we'll take one lone pair. Yeah. So in lone pair now tell me where is lone pair. This is axial and this is equatorial. Now tell me lone pair किधर जाएगा? Axial में या equatorial?
Axial.
Axial.
अरे equatorial
Axial में क्यों जाएगा? Like you just
बहुत
said.
दूर है इसीलिए.
It is not what I said. It will make 90 degree angle. No.
no but it is making below angle it is
Below,
making
see.
180 degree right
But it is also making what here? तो ये 90 होगा. But tell me, this is more right? तो उसे ज़्यादा जगह चाहिए लोड पे. So we'll put it in equatorial, not axial. Okay? Understood? So we'll take one load pair. Then this will become somewhat like geometry क्या होगा? Geometry so
sorry shape
this one
next class
कहाँ? वो पैनल में.
अब हो गया. 5 मिनट चलेगा.
So in last class we learned till sp3d2 वो भी bond pair पांचों लेके right. So now we will consider 4 bond pairs and 1 loop pair. तो hybridization क्या होगा?
sp3d2.
So and the geometry means the structure will be somewhat like
Trigonal bipyramid.
how many?
Okay.
What do you think? Which is the correct?
A.
Like Q.
कि उसमें रिपल्शन बहुत कम रहेगा.
किसमें repulsion like what?
लोन पेयर एंड बॉन्ड पेयर केस में बिकॉज एंगल इज 120 डिग्री.
Yeah, because it gets more space also to repulsion. Yeah. So this one is wrong. So and the geometry looks like the same. What will be its geometry?
TBP.
Yeah. And the shape looks like
Seesaw.
seesaw. Hey, seesaw one was over.
No, that's fine. Continue. That's fine.
Okay. So it is seesaw.
Okay.
So for more clear distance, we draw it like this. So it becomes somewhat like this. So seesaw will represent the red. Okay. So now we'll consider three bond pair.
Teaching. Sir, last year it was. That's fine, sir.
So now we'll take three bond pair and two lone pair. और hybridization same ही आएगा ना. So now the structure will be somewhat like. So the geometry will be same. Shape कैसे दिख रहा है?
T.
So it's T in shape. Okay. Now we'll take two bond pair and three lone pair. Okay. It is possible, right? Because minimum number of bond pair will be
2.
So now इसका hybridization same होगा. And this will look somewhat like.
So, linear.
So geometric same. Or shape.
Linear.
So what do you think? Can I take here one on the chart?
क्यों नहीं?
क्यों नहीं? Because what did I say? Minimum number of bond pair.
Why 2?
Right, in the last class we discussed.
हाँ.
What was the reason though?
Repulsion.
So we'll take. So इसका तो हो गया. SP3D2 is completed. So now we'll take Z as 6. और maximum number of bond pair
6. 0.
और hybridization will be.
sp3d2. ऊपर सब D होना चाहिए.
Oh.
Well, that's fine. Just rub it off. Yeah. So now it is sp3d2.
Should I correct it?
No, that's fine. Go ahead.
Okay. So now इसका geometry कुछ ऐसे होगा. और बीच में एंगल 90 डिग्री का होगा. Okay. So the geometry is somewhat like.
Octahedron.
Or shape is same as octahedron.
हाँ.
So now we'll take 5 bond pair or 8 lone pair or hybridization will be
sp3d2.
Either sp3d2. So the structure will be somewhat like. So the geometry looks like.
Like octahedron itself. And then
Or shape.
square pyramidal.
Because here square form हो रहा है.
And then नीचे. हाँ.
ऐसे नीचे pyramid. Right. And the angle will be of 90
90.
degree. तो bond pair किधर भी, lone pair किधर भी आ सकता है. Next we'll take
4 and 2.
4 either 2.
वो octahedron. हाँ. sp3d2.
And without drawing the structure only we can come to conclusion that it is octahedron. And structure is going to be like. And the shape is
Square planar. Planar.
So हम ऐसे ही सब लोगों को निकाल सकते हैं. And yeah, till this much it is there. So now we'll study what should I say about transition metal?
Yes, that's all.
Okay. So अब VSCPR में ना exceptions भी आते हैं. So we'll see few of them. We are not going that deep into this topic. We just see ऐसे ऊपर से. So first exception is for odd electron. Okay. So now our number of hybrid orbitals were somewhat like whole number. It was whole number, but now if we get it in decimal number like somewhat like 3.5 and all, तब कैसे होगा? नहीं होगा, right? So it has different type of hybridization. तो इसमें VSCPR में तो वो नहीं आएगा, so it is considered as one of the exceptions.
VSCPR के लिए एक्सेप्शन है या हाइब्रिडेशन का फॉर्मूला के लिए एक्सेप्शन?
Hybridization की formula.
तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी कैन नॉट डिराइव द VSCPR. ओके.
Next is transition metals, which are d block elements, right?
Okay.
So, explain it.
Just say.
Exception पे most of the transition metals won't don't obey VSCPR.
Okay.
And next are Drago molecules. Even they have different type of hybridization.